Field is slow. That's beautiful time.
Over the top of that.
For 2 runs.
That's it.
And that's gone. It must be. Oh, what a great shot that is. Just straying on the leg side. And he's whacked that over the top. Razak is not bothering to run, and nor should he.
Well, that's a tremendous blow. Well, this could well be a chance. That's a tremendous hit. I'm on fence anyway. And that's in the air and taken. What a good catch. Cullinan.
1. They'll ask for that.
There, I reckon that bat's in the air, and I reckon he's out.
Absolutely found the gap. Not much power though, and here's a chance for a run out. Well, that will be tight. Boucher's certainly made sure he's taken the stumps with him. Oh, well, you know, that is such bad luck. Here's the last ball. Oh, dear, we've gone for the wrong option, possibly. It's gone for 4. A wild swing finishes Pakistan's innings. 220 for 7, 14 from that last over. Good shot, that'll go for 4. The first boundary for South Africa. It's in the air and out. Shoaib Akhtar strikes in his first over. Just the start that Pakistan was. Oh, not much foot movement, but the field is up. And Konya. This could well be called a third man if he stays inside the boundary, and he does. Oh, it's another one.
Oh, close, yes. Beautifully bowled. That's a nice stroke. It wasn't all that bad a ball. That's one of the orthodox shots. Got it. Second go. Brilliant. What a catch.
And that's very, very close. It's out.
That's a mighty hit.
Before.
Fearsomely quick delivery and called a no ball. Out.
Shot for 4.
Oh, this is dangerous for Callis. Well caught by Moen.
Oh, over the top, over the fielder.
Fantastic fighting victory by South Africa, all down to the aggressive brilliance of Klusener. 46 of 41 balls. He's still not out in the tournament.